students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 14 of chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry of exercise 9.1 for class 10 CBSE. So the question number 14 says a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degrees. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees. Okay, find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. And the figure is being given in the question itself. So here the figure itself is given in the question. The ground level is shown over here. Then the height of the balloon from the ground is shown over here. Okay, so this height is being given from the ground. From the ground it is 88.2 meters. Okay, the balloon is from the ground at a height of 88.2 meters. Okay, then we have been given the height of the girl over here. They have depicted in the figure, a girl is being depicted over here, and the height of the girl is being given to us as 1.2 meters. It is being given to us as 1.2 meters. Okay, as well as they have given to us that the angle of elevation, first it was 60 degrees, and as the wind blowed, the elevation reduced, the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degrees. So we need to find the distance travelled by the balloon. That means how much this distance is there between the balloon, between the previous position and the final position. How much the distance is being travelled. So for solving this question, I will suggest to mark the points. Let us mark the points. Let us mark it as AB as our ground level. Okay. Then we will be marking the first position to be C, the position which it has achieved after the wind blowed, the position, horizontal position it achieved, let it be D. Also I will be marking this reference line to be some point. Let us mark it to be E and F. You can take any of the points. Okay, so I am taking the height of the girl to be AE to be equal to 1.2 meters. Okay, so I am writing over here height of girl. Height of girl, I am taking it to be AE, which is being given to me 1.2 meters. Also the height of balloon is also given to me. Height of balloon from ground, it is being given to me, that I have marked over here from by dB, by dB or BDB. You can take any of the thing. From the ground is BD, which is equal to 88.2 meters, which is 88.2 meters. So naturally my DF will be DB minus FB. Okay, because my BD is equal to BF plus FD. Okay, so my FD value will be equal to BD minus BF. Okay, so therefore FD will be equal to BD minus BF. So it will be equal to BD I have been given to be as 88.2 minus BF. BF will be equal to AE. This whole height will be the same. Okay, this whole height will be the same. So this value will also be equal to 1.2 meters. So minus 1.2 meters will give me 87 meters. So my this height will be 87 meters. Okay. So I'll be considering here two triangles. Now I'll be considering over here. This is 90 degrees as according to the figure. So one triangle I will be considering to be, let us mark this point also to be some point P. Okay, let us mark this point, some point to be P. So I'll be taking the triangle PCE and I'll be taking the triangle FDE. So I need to find out PB. The distance PB should be found out. That I have to find it out according to the question. So if we will be subtracting from AB, if I subtract AP, so naturally we will be getting PB. Okay. So first we will be considering the triangle EFD. Now EF, the reference EF is always equal to AB. Okay. EF will be equal to AB. So let us write down this point also. Over here only I will be writing out. EF will be equal to AB. Okay. And PB I need to find it out. How I will find out PB? I will be subtracting. PB will be equal to, or you can say PF. PF. Okay. PF will be equal to EF minus EP. EF minus EP. Okay. So PF is the distance which the balloon traveled as the horizontal wind blowed. So when the wind was blowing, the horizontal distance that was traveling the balloon is PF. So how PF can be found out? EF minus this distance can be find it out. So let us start with the two triangles. So first of all, taking the triangle to be DFE. Okay. Taking triangle DFE. Okay. Taking the triangle to be DFE. So in the triangle DFE, here is the 90 degrees. So DE forms the hypotenuse. Okay. So I'll be applying tan 30 that will be equal to DF upon EF. That will be equal to perpendicular upon base. So tan 30 will be equal to perpendicular is DF upon base. Base will be EF. Okay. So from here tan 30 is given by 1 upon under root 3 is equal to DF is 87. So EF. So therefore I can cross multiply it. So EF will be equal to 87 under root 3. So EF will be equal to 87 under root 3. Okay. So now taking the triangle CPE. Taking triangle CPE. Okay. So when I am taking the triangle, again I will be marking tan 60. Let us mark it to be equation number 1. Okay. So tan 60 will be equal to perpendicular upon base. So here the perpendicular is CP and base is EP. Okay. Base is EP. So from here tan 60 the value is root 3 will be equal to CP upon EP. So from here we can easily get the value of EP, which is equal to, by cross multiplying, which is equal to CP upon root 3. Okay. So let us mark it to be equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we have got the values of EF and EP. So PF we need to find it out. So when we will be subtracting, EF is the whole, this whole is the EF, and when I'll be subtracting this from the whole, I'll be getting PF over here. Okay. So Let us write it down and solve for the question. So the distance traveled by the balloon, distance traveled by the balloon during the interval is equal to, from here, PF. Okay, PF, sorry. Then PF is equal to EF minus EP. Okay, so the EF value is 87 under root 3. So we'll be putting the values from 1 and 2, the values of EF and EP from 1 and 2. So let us write it down. Putting the values of EF and EP from 1 and 2. Okay, so PF will be equal to 87 under root 3 minus CP. CP is also 87 over here, because this distance and this distance is same. So CP is also 87. Okay, the height is the same. Okay, this height will be the same because the balloon height from the ground will be always the same. So the balloon height from the ground is given to us as 88.2 meters. So when we'll be subtracting the height of the girl from here, so we'll be getting this height. So this height is CP, which is 87 meters. Okay, so it will be 87 upon under root 3. So taking the LCM of under root 3, we'll be getting 87 into 3, because it will be getting multiplied over here, minus 87. Okay, so this is P. I will be taking the 87 is common from here. So here 3 minus 1 is left, and upon under root 3. Okay, so here I'm getting 87 into 2 upon under root 3. Now the under root is in the denominator, so I cannot leave the answer in the form of root in the denominator. So I need to rationalize it. So I will be rationalizing it. So 87 into 2 upon under root 3 so I'll be multiplying by under root both sides in the denominator and the numerator. So this under root 3 into under root 3 becomes 3. This under root 3 into under root 3 becomes 3. Okay, so here I'll be getting over here 87 into 2 under root 3 upon 3, and this 3 by this 3, this 87 can be cancelled. So 3 to the 6, 2, 9, 29. Okay, so 29 into 2 is 58 under root 3 meters is the answer. Is my answer. Okay, so in this manner we need to solve such type of questions. So thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.